Muhammad Ali, and I am here for I am representing India today's cultural day. And here you can see the Indian flag, and this is our Indian map. And the capital city of India is one of the famous city of the world, New Delhi. And our official language is Hindi, and rather that we have many languages, but our official language is Hindi. And India we have many religions. The most popular religion is the Hinduism, and we have also Muslims and Sikhism and Christianity, and we have also few traces of Buddhism and Jainism. And this is the area, one of the seventh largest country in the area. India is. Our country is divided into 28 states, and we have 8 union territories. And this is the India's diversity in language. You can see that India has number of languages, which is 780 languages, and we have 22 official languages. Over 9, we have this much of delegates. And here you can see the most famous things and famous personalities of the world. He is, you know that he is the Aryabhatta, who invented the zero, and he is Mukesh Ambani, one of the most richest person in Asia and ninth richest person in the world. And India is the largest exporter of IT services, and the Mangalyaan mission, which is the India's Mars orbit mission, cost less than a Hollywood movie. And sorry. And India is the birthplace of yoga, which is very famous in the worldwide. And we have this. India is the second largest number of mosques after Indonesia. We have up to 300,000 to 400,000 mosques in India. And you can see that many craft works, and not only the population but also the tigers. 70% of the tigers population is also only in India. Okay, and these are the beats and grace of India. You can see many types of dances. Even in India, a small child also know many dances, how to dance. And these dances are according to the states. You can see the Bharatanatyam is in Tamil Nadu, and Kuchipudi in Andhra Pradesh, and many types of dances, and also many types of the musical instruments, which is tabla. This is tabla and sitar and shehnai, and you can see many other musical instruments in the world. And this is the Indian traditional attire. You can see that we have many traditional attires. These are for women and these are the for men. And India is a house of festivals. Every day we have any festival. We have every day we have festivals. This is every day we have. Every day we have festivals. And India is, I know that India is the country which has many official holidays based upon the festival. And here, these are the cuisines, and I can claim that India claims the 6th position among the world's best cuisines. And these are some of the most famous cuisines. You can know the dosa. This is the dosa, and this is the very famous cuisine in the world. Yes, in the world. And this is the India's recent sports achievements. India holds 2 World Cups in ODI, and he is the current world chess champion. His name is Gukesh, and he is MS Dhoni. I know all the cricket fans know him, and he is the only captain in the world who win the 3 ICC trophies. And the Indian Premier League is the most watched cricket league globally. And these are the India and Saudi Arabia relationships. You can see that many of the most famous companies invest in India, like Saudi Aramco, SABIC, and India is the second largest trade partner of Saudi Arabia. And total number of students in KFUM is 170. Again, I think this is the most populous country here too. We have male students 135 and female students 35, and we hope. We have most famous and some of the most famous cuisines of India.
يعني أول ما نكشف على العدد عشان
We have
صورة معلومات